complete range of motion. 7, 8, 9. Good. 5 more. 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, let's sit up. Moving on now to the front raises for the shoulders. Bringing it straight up. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This feels good. 6. Remember, athletic, muscular shoulders makes your waist look even smaller. 7, 8, 9. Let's go. 5 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Our next exercise is called the chest fly. The guys are still using the incline bench for the upper chest. I'm using the flat bench. Slide down, palms facing each other over your body, and begin down and up. 1 and 2, down, 3, good, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just bring it up straight ahead and then back for 1. Good. Up, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 2 more, 14, and 15. Okay, let's start over from the beginning now. When you're training your chest, your secondary muscle group that hit are your shoulders. So that's why I like training chest and shoulders together. Start again with the bench press. And down and up for 1. Good. And 2. And 3. 4. Good. 5. You can. These exercises are great for men and women alike. 3 to 4 sets of each exercise, 10 to 15 repetitions. Good. 2. This is an excellent shaping exercise. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For next time you want shapely shoulders or a chiseled chest like the guys have, try these exercises. It's easy to get a flat washboard stomach. Just remember to do a variety of different abdominal exercises to hit the muscles from different angles. And do lots of cardiovascular activity like jogging and power walking to reduce overall excess body fat. And lastly, eat a nutritious diet, a low-fat diet rich in protein and complex carbohydrates. Keep your muscles toned by watching our next segment. We'll be right back. Well, supersetting is a great way to train 2 body parts at the same time. Today we're training opposing muscle groups, the chest and the back. Okay.
Moving right along.
Yeah. Monica and I were talking earlier over lunch, talking about the importance of proper form. And a good trick for you at home might be to watch yourself in a mirror when you're doing each exercise to make sure you're doing it properly. Good, Monica. You can really see it working in through here. You sure? You even have back cleavage right down the middle.
Uh-oh.
That's good. That's how you win all those contests.
Oh, boy.
Good, great.
Ah, next arm. I like supersetting. Most of my workouts are interval training and lots of supersets.
Supersetting is great because you work up more of a sweat. You're not resting in between. So you're also getting some aerobic benefits as well.
Yeah.
She needs this spot. I could be right here, helping her on her hand. Good. Perfect. And if you are training at home, all it takes is a little creativity to make your own home gym. If you don't have a workout bench, you can always use a piano bench, footstool, or a chair.
Okay.
Okay, want to see my superset?
I sure do.
It's right over here on the ultra lift.
This little machine is pretty nice, huh?
I like it. I'm actually lifting my own weight. It's nice and smooth.
Well, you don't weigh much, Kiana, so you gotta do more reps.
Well, you can adjust the resistance, too, to make it harder.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do 15, 13,
Good.
14, and 15, supersetting with wide grip pull down. Thank you.
There you go.
Teamwork. Yep. Okay, I'm going to do pull down to the back. It's great for the lats.
Yeah. I think working at home is probably good for a lot of maybe single mothers that maybe can't afford daycare or even taking their kids to the gym. So it's probably a good idea for them. Have a home gym equipment or just the dumbbells.
It's a good point. Training at home, you can always have your kids watch television.
Or watch you.
Or, there you go, watch Kiana. Or even get them a set of little hand weights, you know, stuffed animal weights.
They could play along.
Yep.
Start learning about
health and fitness.
Yep.
And last one. Okay.
All right.
Should we start over?
Okay.
Starting over our supersets for the chest and the back. Again, we've shown you the incline bench, one-arm dumbbell rows, with the chest press on the ultra lift, and the wide grip pull downs for the lats. Now, if you're a beginner, make sure and do one set lightly. Work your way up to 2 to 3 sets of each movement. Good, Monica. Getting the complete range of motion, exhaling on the exertion, contracting the pecs at the top. Perfect. Well, 3 more. 13, 14, 1 more. 15. Okay, great. An adjustable bench and free weights are all you need to create your own home gym. The incline bench shapes and tones the upper chest. Exhale as you press the weights up. One-arm rows are one of my favorite back exercises to strengthen the middle area of the back. Feel the stretch as you lower the weight, flexing the back completely as you lift the dumbbell to your waist. The chest press firms and tones the chest and triceps. Use free weights, the Kiana Fitness Band, and machines like the Ultra Lift to hit the muscles from different angles. Lat pull-downs are terrific for adding width to your lats. Focus on a mental picture of how great you'll look after your workouts.
Come all the way up at the top. Sometimes, Ken, I'll do this in the parking lot of the gym and do the whole length. We challenge each other how far we can get.
It's tough.
You got to make sure you clear your weights out of the other guy's path, too. I'm sorry about that.
Gym etiquette, right?
Gym etiquette is important.
If you're just starting off training with weights, try it with no weight first, then gradually work your way up to lighter weights. It doesn't take much, though.
I'm going to use a barbell across my neck.
Okay. Feels good. Should we move on? Okay. Now we're going to be training our hamstrings with the leg curl machine. Basic idea. Okay. Yeah, single leg. Clark's going to do one leg at a time. It works the area right in through here. You can really see it working. He has terrific definition. Great. This is especially important for women. We want to make sure we have shape in the back of our legs, too, so you look good coming and going. Great. You're even defining your hamstrings. Now he's going to switch legs. Clark's doing each leg one at a time, which is a slight variation. Sometimes I'll do one leg at a time and then finish up with both legs at the same time. Good. Notice the pad is staying in constant contact with his ankle. There you go. Good. Perfect. How's that feel?
Wonderful. You're up.
Adjust this a little bit.
How much do you want?
I think
Same?
30. It's good.
I can't see it.
I'll do it.
See the design on this? The way it's angled?
Uh-huh.
So you keep your hips down on the pad. A lot of times I see people raising their hips up and lifting their butt up off the pad. The reason for that design is so you keep your hips down to contract that hamstring muscle hard. Squeeze it all the way up, Kiana. Kiana has her toes pointed straight. You can flex them out if you want. You get a little bit different angle on the hamstring. Sometimes I'll switch the angles on my feet just to get a little different feeling in the hamstring. This is one area a lot of people don't train enough. Good job.
Whew, feels great. Okay, our next exercise is for the lower leg. It's for the calf muscle. This is a standing calf machine.
Oh, I love this one.
You love every exercise. You're just like me. Okay, here, it's very important to get the complete range of motion. girls are going completely